What's up, stackers? So today I'm going to show you how you can make £10 or $10 over and over again. It doesn't matter your location, you can be living anywhere in the world and actually do this. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name's Paddy, and every single day I come out with different ways that you can start making money online. So don't forget to go and hit subscribe and hit the little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you want my #1 recommendation to actually making a full-time income right here online, then don't forget to click that link in the description below and I'll send that straight to you. So, this is the fan page for the Stacking Profit channel, for my channel. If you haven't already, come over. There will be a link in the description for this as well. Come over, give us a like, and if you scroll down a little bit, you can come through to the Stackers Inner Circle, which is a closed group. So come through, come into the Stackers Inner Circle as well. We'd love to have you there. So straight away, what we are going to be doing is creating artwork, banner work, whatever it is, for fan pages, local businesses. This is a great little business to start if you literally have no money, because you can do this for free. Now, there's a lot of businesses out there that need your help. Now, they don't know that they need your help, but they do, because their banners are completely crap and shoddy, and your first impression on a business means a lot, and they should know that as well. But anyway, how do we find these businesses and how do we create these banners, these cover photos and everything in between? Well, it's pretty simple. At the search bar at the top, all you do is type in restaurants or whatever businesses you want to target. So if you just type in restaurants, then there's going to be a list of restaurants nearby that you can go through, check out their fan pages and check out their artwork. So straight away, if I click on this one, Black Pepper, this is my location if you're wondering. So if we click on that, we can see what their artwork actually looks like, or their cover photo. So let that load up for a minute. My internet is being completely shoddy today. I hate it when it goes like this, because it takes ages to get shit done. Now, straight away, you can see that theirs is actually quite professional, and you wouldn't get in touch with this company because they have a great banner cover photo. As you can see, that is really professional and it looks really good. So you'd leave that one out. You're looking for cover photos that really don't look good at all. So if we just scroll down a little bit, let's check out Lobby Lou's Tea Room. I've never heard of that, and apparently that's nearby. Lobby Lou's Tea Room. I bet that actually looks pretty good with all those cakes making me hungry and shit. So let's have a look. Again, the internet is being so slow. Sorry for this, guys. So I'm actually pretty shocked that this cover image doesn't look that great at all. I would have thought them serving cakes that their cover photo would look pretty good. So this is a company you could potentially get in touch with. Well, what I could get in touch with, not you, because this isn't your location, this isn't nowhere near you. I'm just showing you examples on companies that you actually want to look for that you could get in touch with. So this is a potential customer right here that I could get in touch with and talk about getting their new artwork done. As you can see, they've got some really good social media images. So you could take some of these images, find the best ones, and then create the artwork out of that. So this is one. In a minute, I'm going to show you how you can actually create these cover images completely for free and still make them look good. But as you can see, within a matter of minutes, we found one potential business that I could work with, and I could just keep going through the list. I could put in restaurants in my local area, restaurants in a certain city. I could look up different companies, not only restaurants as well. I mean, it's there's I can't even get my words out. There's unlimited potential here. There's so many companies out there that need your help with their artwork, their cover images, their profile pictures. Just so many. So if we scroll down a little bit, let's check out this one, the Wall Pack. An old favourite pub of mine. What else have we got here? Buckingham Fort. So let's take a look at this one as well. So straight away with the Wall Pack, what do I see? I see that it's not very good at all. Just a picture of the pub. So this is another potential one that I could get in touch with. And then the Buckingham Fort, let's take a look at that, if that will load. So this one's actually pretty piss poor as well. I mean, look at that. Images being cut off. Only a picture of alcohol. That is not very good at all. So straight away, within less than 5 minutes, I found 3 companies I could potentially get in touch with and ask them to redesign their artwork on Facebook. So how do you get in touch with these companies? Well, you can do it directly through Facebook. On most pages, they have a send message button just here. So you could send them a message saying, hey, I was just on your fan page. I was looking for somewhere to come and have a meal. And I noticed that your artwork is not very good. Well, you wouldn't write it like that, but you know, I'm a graphic designer. I'd be more than happy to help you. Then talk about the benefits of social media. You know, social media, having a social media presence in today's day and age is vital for anyone. So if anyone was visiting the area and they was looking at restaurants on Facebook and they come across your fan page, well, your cover image is what is going to give them their first impression. So if you don't have a good cover image and don't give them a really good first impression, then they're more than likely not going to visit your pub or cafe or whatever it is, and you're going to be missing out on sales. Now, considering you're only going to be charging £10, £20 or whatever for doing this, it's really easy to sell that because it's not a lot of money at all. Now, how do you actually create these cover images? Well, it's really easy. What you want to be using is Canva, canva.com. So with canva.com, you will be able to make these beautiful cover images really, really easy. So once you've signed up for Canva, as you can see up here, they've already got templates for you to use. All you'd do is click Facebook cover photo. Then it's going to pull up this. Now again, if you're using restaurants, you can go through all their images on their fan page, and use them. Now here on the left hand side you get all these different templates that you can use. And look, this one would be brilliant for a restaurant. So all you do is click that. I don't know why that's come up. So now that's going to populate just here, as you can see, and you can change this out for the restaurant name. So in this case, let's just put Buckingham Fort. It's going to let me. Hold on. Buckingham Fort. And then obviously you can change this to, or keep that as that is, espresso, coffee, desserts, pastries. You can put their address just here, and you can change this background image for whatever images they have on their fan page. So that's how easy it actually is to create a cover image for Facebook and to go and find companies or restaurants and sell them your service. Now, which one looks more professional? This, which took me 2 seconds to do. Again, obviously I would change out the picture, but this took 2 seconds to do, and look how much more professional this looks than that. And it took 2 seconds. 2 seconds to do. You can sell it for $10, $20, £10, £20. It's up to you what you charge. Now, one quick thing that I would actually do if you found a company and they want to buy it from you, when you're showing them what you've made, I would put like a little watermark or just use a text and put your name on the image. So let's just put Paddy Media. Obviously, you just make that a little bit smaller. change that to say white, and then I'll just move that. Patty? No, it's Paddy. Then I'll just move that up there and obviously send them what you've done and say, look, that Paddy Media bit, when you've sent me the money or when I've received money through PayPal, I will take that out. That won't actually be on your cover image. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you found some value from it. And don't forget to come and like Stacking Profit over on Facebook as well, and join the inner circle. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.